Hey you guys, what's up? I hope you all are doing great and welcome back to my channel. And if you are new to this channel, well, hi, my name is Antara and I'll be more than happy if you like, share and subscribe to my channel below. And I think you have read by the title already कि जो आज का वीडियो है वो क्या होने वाला है, और ये लाइन मैं हमेशा बोलती हूँ. So let me tell you, this video is all about my dainty jewelry collection. I love to wear them a lot, but I'm not a person who is like too much dependent on the dainty jewelry. I do wear precious, real, the gold and silver wali jewelry. In fact, I love them more in comparison because they don't tend to get oxidized, you know, like after I'm going to wear this और उसके बाद मेरे को अगर उसको सेल भी करना होगा तो उसमें उसकी कुछ वैल्यू रहती है. बट स्टिल दिस गोल्ड एंड प्रीशियस ज्वेलरीज आर नॉट रियली इकोनॉमी एंड इट इज नॉट सुटेबल फॉर ऑल द गर्ल्स आउट देयर बिकॉज वी वांट टू कीप चेंज विथ आवर आउटफिट्स. That is the point. We want to purchase more and more affordable dainty jewelry. So yeah, in this video I am going to share my few pieces. Along with it, I am going to share the place or the Instagram stores, online stores from where I purchase it, and few more links, and I'll be linking everything in my description box. You can check it out from there as well. So yeah, this is all the things which are going to happen in this video, and if you wanted to know more, stay tuned till end and watch this video. So yeah, let's get started. Okay you guys, so starting off with the first one, this is the first jewelry I'm showing to you. I'm wearing this right now. So as I said earlier, I do wear precious jewelry. Like I am most into precious jewelries, but you know it's not that affordable. आपको change करना रहता है बार बार, so you can't just stick on to some gold and silver kind of stuff. So this is my most favorite, and if you're following me on Instagram, आपको पता ही होगा most of the time मैं stories में और feed में यही wear करती हूँ. So this is the precious one, and I think ये तनिष्क का है. I am not so sure. I'll mention the link below. You can check it out. And this is how this one looks like. ये key है and some sort of a short chain. This is not as long as लंबा वाला chain, and it is not as short as choker. So I am so much satisfied with its length. And ये t-shirt, top, one piece dresses सब में suit करता है. So this is how it looks like. Up next on the list are again the precious jewelry. So this is a stud, if you can see over here. So these are the really small stud. I wear this on a regular basis, and these are tiny, simple and so much my type. This is my now vibe. Moving on to my most favorite link wale chains, which are absolutely trending and everybody loves something like this. So this is what I got from an Instagram store. I'll be linking it somewhere over here. And how pretty does this looks like? This is how it looks like after wearing it. Eventually amp up all your clothing, and this pendant is also so cool. And all you need to wear are just normal t-shirt, top or any sort of clothing, and just look at the power of jewelry. It instantly like make you feel like you're ready to hit the party. So yeah, this is pretty much cool, and this is how it looks like. And this one is from a store called Grab the Best. By the way, this is not any sponsored video. I loved their jewelry as well. If you can see, I have done a collaboration with them on my Instagram. The reel will be here. So this is how the whole vibe of the chain is. Talking about its quality, you guys, मैंने इसको 3-4 बार से ज़्यादा ऑलरेडी पहन लिया है, एंड आई कुडंट फाइंड एनी प्लेस जहाँ पे थोड़ी भी रस्टिंग या ऑक्सीडेशन हुआ हो. इट्स मटेरियल इज सो ऑन पॉइंट, एंड दैट्स व्हाई आई am showing to you all these pieces. Next you guys is again a really pretty layered neck piece from Amazon. So I purchased this really pretty and really affordable layered choker and some necklace kind of stuff from this store from Amazon which is called Jewelry Galaxy, and इसके स्टार रेटिंग भी बहुत अच्छे हैं. So is the product, you guys. I actually find it really helpful. So I was surfing one day some dainty jewelries and on Amazon, and I find this really pretty chain and I'm absolutely in love with this because its quality is so nice, but it will definitely rust but not like एकदम quickly. At least आप इसको 7 to 8 times wear कर ही सकते हैं. उसके बाद भी like you can see ये कुछ 6-7 महीने से है मेरे पास. like हाँ, it's almost 8 months from now और मैं इसको बहुत पहनती हूँ and still you can see this is in a really good condition still now. I'm so much in love with their detailing, you guys. As you can see, there is a linking chain and then a tiny sa cute sa heart is there, and then the main thing which is a lock, and this is how this looks like. Up next on the list is this beautiful star wale chote detailing wale choker, and if you are a person who are not too much into fancy and heavy layered choker or neck piece, you can definitely go for this. These are tiny yet beautiful, and this one is going to make your look literally amp up. So this is how it looks like, and it is quite cheap as well. This one is for I think 150, 180 something in between, like less than 200 it is. Up next I have this really beautiful butterfly वाले dainty jewelry, and I think बहुत सारे लोगों को butterflies और little छोटे छोटे tiny hearts के लिए अलग ही craving रहती है. So this is what I got for you girls. This will look definitely amazing on wearing, and this one is the silver wala, like silver plated, not the gold plated jewelry. And yeah, I still love wearing it because it is not like all time you can just stick to golden. Sometimes you need a change, or ye hai wo change which is going to give you a different sort of look in your overall look, if you know what I mean. And yeah, this is how this one looks like. Also, if you are a student, and I think अगर आप अभी कॉलेज में एंटर किए हैं तो आप सबका तो शायद लॉकडाउन में ही टाइम निकल गया होगा, ऑनलाइन क्लासेस हुई होंगी. एंड आई थिंक फॉर द गर्ल्स हु आर कॉलेज गोइंग, आई एम पास्ड आउट बाय द वे, so it is not really easy just to purchase all the gold and silver jewelries. Instead, everyone prefers dainty and fake jewelries like this, and these are so cheap and affordable as well. Like this will be not really hard on your pocket. So yeah, this one is also priced at ₹180, and this is going to give you a really quick change in your overall look. And this is how it looks like on wearing, and isn't it pretty? Let me know in the comment section, because I think the butterfly thing is giving a lot of, like creating a lot of I don't know, lot of क्या बोलते हैं उसको, मतलब
2000 years later.
Sorry you guys, I just wanted to say this one is giving a whole lot of bohemian vibe to my whole outfit. Like as you can see, I am just wearing a simple basic camisole, and this one on top of it adding too much bohemian thing to the whole outfit. So yeah. Up next, you guys, I have something really exciting for you, which was priced at ₹40 or 39. Is this sounding really cool to you? So it is, because I have collection of few nose pin. I think I have uploaded a picture, I'll post somewhere over here. You guys are asking me on DMs from where do you purchased your nose pin. So here I have few nose pins, and let me tell you, I have purchased this all on a local store, but you can get your hands on the similar one because I have already found the online store for you guys with the same price, which is everstylish.com. I'll mention the page over here, you can check it out. And उसमें भी luck by chance जो price मैंने local store में लिया था उससे भी cheap है. This one was priced at rupees I think 50-60, and now this one are priced at rupees 39, and इससे भी अच्छे आपको डिजाइन मिल जाएंगे. So I have this beautiful oxidized वाले ये nose pins. This were trending a lot, and I think abhi bhi people used to wear such things on the ethnic, and if you're going to give some sort of bohemian vibe to your whole outfit, you can definitely add this one. Look, this is how this one is looking. Up next is this tinted one, the blue one. I love the thing over here, the pearl or something like that, and this is how it looks like. Up next is for those who are extremely crazy. So this is this Trishul wala, I hope you can see it, Trishul wala nose pin, and this is so loud but still it looks crazy on wearing, isn't it? I think it is. So this is how it looks on wearing. Next on the list is something really super exciting for you guys, which is this oxidized earring, and you will be definitely amazed by its price if I'll tell you. And this one I purchased from a local store in Jaipur, and then I find a similar page which is online Instagram store for you as well, जिसमें ये आपको मिल रहे हैं under 60 or 70. I will mention the link below, and this is how it looks like. Isn't it pretty? Like, I am so much amazed by इसका detailing. Just wanted to give you a quick update. If you aren't subscribing my channel or aren't following me, I just wanted to let you know that मैंने already Shein Alternative के ऊपर एक vlog upload किया था just a year back or few months back, जिसमें I have already mentioned the Dainty jewelries and the store from where you can purchase it. So I'll be mentioning the link somewhere over here. You can check that out as well. I also just wanted to add something here. If you are going to purchase anything from Instagram store, just make sure कि जो ये chain होते हैं इन जो भी jewelry के होते हैं, make sure कि वो थोड़े से ना thick हों, because जो ये thin वाले होते हैं they generally tend to get oxidized really soon. So yeah, I just wanted to mention this. And if you are purchasing that link wala, I am more than 100% sure that it will last you for about 4-5 years, because after that only, like after 4 to 5 years, then there might be some chances to get corroded, but till then you can wear it. But these are sort of, you know, काफी पतले होते हैं, so they tend to get oxidized, and I don't know it makes sense or not, but I have seen जो पतले वाले होते हैं वो बहुत जल्दी oxidized होते हैं. So make sure before you check out. Okay you guys, so this was all for today. I hope you guys enjoyed watching, and if you do not forget to hit the bell icon and subscribe to my channel given below, so whenever I upload any new video you will be notified. Signing off, bye.